everyone, you can try everything because it's organic kitchen garden. Mostly local people, even we have big or small garden, we grow some vegetable for family. But we don't need to buy everything in the market, okay? So the first one, I'm gonna show you like ginger family. Remember how many ginger family that we have? No?
4.
Yeah, okay. So we have 4 kinds of ginger. The first one, everyone. This one, remember. What's that? Thai ginger galanga. This one, the plants, galanga. Yeah, but we use from the root. Okay. Okay. Thai ginger or galanga, so we use a lot for curry paste, for soup. Any soup we have galanga. It smells. You can smell. You can pass it down. Galanga or Thai ginger. Someone calls sweet ginger. Okay. But everyone, you have this one, right? In your home.
Yeah.
Ginger. So in Thailand, we use a lot for tea or stir fry. You can compare how different between normal ginger or Thai ginger. Sebong. Sebong. Yeah, and this one. Ginseng, yeah. Finger root or Thai ginseng. You can see the plants. Ginseng. Okay, finger root or Thai ginseng. Today we use for curry paste. But mostly in Thailand, we use for stir fry as well. Even like for tea, it's like very healthy. Okay. Ginseng. One. Okay, and this one, everyone. Curcuma, turmeric. Okay. So you can see behind you the big leaf. That's one, curcuma plant. Okay, also from the root. Yes. Yeah. Curcuma. Maybe in your home you can get a lot of the powder,
Yeah.
right? But in Thailand we have both like fresh one and the powder one. We use for curry paste, for soup, and the color. You can make eyebrows. Yellow one. And if the mosquito bite you, you can rub on your skin so it stop itchy. Okay. 4 kinds of ginger, remember, right? Okay. Okay, everybody. First picture together. Okay, always smile. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Beautiful. Okay. Have around 3 kinds of basil: sweet basil, hot basil, and lemon. Okay, and the first one, this one, all of this one, this is hot basil. You can take the leaf, you can try, or you can smell. Okay, you can take the leaf, you can pass it down. This sweet basil. You can try. It's organic, everyone. Everything you can taste.
We can eat this.
Yeah, you can eat. Sebong. Yeah. Who choose red curry or green curry or tom sap? So we use that one. Okay. Lemon basil high. Okay. This one, remember? Aubergine, Thai eggplants. Thai eggplant. Okay. This one. We use for green and red curry. You can eat it raw without cooking. Okay. And then can we go back? Baby eggplants. See? Pea eggplant or baby eggplant. So this one a little bit bitter, so we use for green and red curry. Who would like to try? Okay, you can pick your own here. Okay? You want to try? You can take here. If you go in Thai restaurant, you can see on the menus. It is morning glory. You heard about that? Okay, you can see morning glory stir fry. Okay, in Thailand we use a lot for stir fry or deep fry. Okay, and noodle soup. Yeah, water morning glory. This one. Okay. No, not much flavor. You can eat it raw too. Yeah. In Thailand, everyone, when we eat salad like papaya salad, so we eat together with morning glory too. Okay. I have something for you to try later. Okay, everyone, this one eggplant that we show you. Eggplant or aubergine. We eat only the young one because the young one is crunchy.
It changes the color later, or
When it's older, it's change to like yellow one.
Yeah.
Yellow one is we use like keep for the seed. We don't eat the yellow one, we eat the white one. Inside white color. Okay, one we have the flower. This one. Have you ever seen?
Flower for the tea, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a butterfly pea flower. Okay, so we use for the color when you see mango cigarette, purple color from this one. Okay, we also use for tea, like lemon tea. And this one natural color, like when you squeeze, like that, you will get like purple. Yeah, natural color. Okay, and everyone, you can try. Yeah, and everyone, you can pick your own here. Yeah, you can try. It's a little bit sweet. Little bit sweet, but not much flavor. It's very natural. Lemon tea are very good too. Okay, in natural color. Maybe in the market you can get the dry one, but we have the fresh one. You can eat everything. And this one, everyone, ginger. Yeah, it's normal ginger. That one we don't have over there. Ginger. It's ginger plant one. But Thai people, we use both. We also use ginger leaf. You can see from the stalk. Okay. Yeah. Ginger leaf we also use for cooking, like stir fry. You can smell the leaf. You can pass it out. Smell very aroma too. Okay. For lemongrass one, we use only in the stalk here, because in the stalk more flavor than the liver part. Today we use for our curry paste and any soup. Okay, you can make for tea as well. Okay. If you eat a lot of this one, the mosquito don't like you. Yeah. If you buy like the mosquito spray, can you see the lemongrass picture? Is that the taste very good and very good for the mosquito.
A little soapy, huh?
But in the soup one, we don't eat it because just for flavor. But if you need to eat like lemongrass for curry paste, we cut very fine. Make curry paste, you can eat it. But if you eat like this, just quite tough. But we can eat it. Good. It's spicy or not? A bit spicy. You already try? How it tastes? Spicy? A little bit spicy, right?
Spicy,
Yeah. In Thai cooking, we use a lot for stir fry. Stir fry.
Now it's spicy.
I would like to try. You want to try? Okay.ให้แดงไปเลยจ้า You can try a little bit first.
Your reaction. Where are you from?
First, you want to try? Okay. Don't cry, don't cry. Okay.
Too much. You don't want to try? Yes. Already mentioned that.
But actually, Thai chili one is we use for our salad, stir fry, soup, and then everything you can design how spicy do you want depends on how many chili. Yeah.
I know in French is spicy. Le tien, il pique ça reste.
No, we don't eat very
How-
spicy, but I love it.
How you can eat spicy? when you start eat spicy.
The whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing. Oh, it's
Yeah.
the first French. It's the first French.
Spicy, if too spicy, you can take more flour. This can help. Yeah, you can take the flour. It can help spicy. Okay, everyone, can we move here? So we have more this one. No, look like jackfruit, but jackfruit is quite big. Okay, it's jackfruit. G-A-C. Jackfruit. Okay.
How does it look inside?
Inside is like
Too?
they have they have some seeds.
It's a
Uh-huh.
kind of squash.
Yeah.
It tastes quite like cucumber, but it
Like
has,
cucumber.
Like
Like,
cucumber,
yeah.
it has some flavor. But you can see like in the north of Thailand and some parts of Laos and Vietnam, they eat a lot of it. It's kind of squash.
Yeah, not much flavor. Okay.
And like our local people eat boy and eat with a chili paste.
No.
Yeah. You can try.
Which we want?
And you tell me what is it? Sour, yes. I show you in the market. 10 points if you can tell me. No, in Pad Thai. What is it?
In Pad Thai, okay, in Pad Thai.
In Pad Thai, yeah.
It's in Pad Thai, okay, come on, come on.
Yeah,
For your
closer,
country.
closer.
Now you do for your country. How many countries you have today? French.
Yes,
3 countries, French, and then Germany and
Romania.
Romania. Oh,
Okay.
do for your country.
Uh-huh.
You
And
guys
in the
say
first
European.
shop, at the first shop, I told you in the market, the first shop. Yeah, okay, I can tell you this one is tamarind leaf. Okay, but it's the young leaf, okay? The young leaf Thai people we use for salad and any soup or everything that we need to make sour flavor. In Thai cooking, this one. Yeah, it's lime. Okay, lime, you can see that one, the tree. We use a lot of juice to make sour flavor in our soup salad. Okay, for tea. And this one is kaffir lime. You can see the fruits. อะไรนะ Kobawa. Yeah. Kaffir lime, when we use skin of the kaffir lime, we put in the curry paste so that you will get. Okay, today we use for curry soup. Any soup we use kaffir lime leaf. It's double it. You can smell. For green curry, red curry, for Penang, and for any soup. Okay, in Thailand we have around 2 kinds of rice that we eat a lot in Thailand: sticky rice and jasmine rice. Sticky rice we grow a lot on the mountain. It's no need much water. But jasmine rice when we grow in the water. Okay, in Thailand we grow rice around 2 or 3 times a year. One period of rice around 4 months. But if we grow for our family just once a year, around 4 months, and after maybe around end of October after we harvest. Can you help me to pick the egg for our cooking today?
Chocolate spaghetti.
Yeah, you can take all the egg. Excuse me, can I have your egg? Okay, yeah, it's too heavy for you. I can help.
From that one,
From
from that pen.
from a pen to under everyone, you can help. Excuse me, can I have your egg? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can take the egg from them.
Puppy.
อะไรนะ?
บอกเขาด้วยว่าไก่กินอาหารอะไรไก่กินอาหารแบบไหนกินข้าวเหรอ
Okay, everyone, it's organic chicken, right?
Organic egg.
Organic egg and organic chicken too. Okay, this egg for our cooking today.
Wow.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah.